Hi guys, I have some Happy Mail from Kimberly Doyle. Sorry Kimberly, this did come a couple days ago, but excuse me, but I just didn't have time to open it. I was teaching this weekend, so it's been a crazy couple of days, but thank you so much for the Happy Mail, and she put a D there. Isn't that beautiful? We shared the same beginnings of our last name, Kimberly. It's so wonderful. Alrighty, and I'm just opening it here. Let's see. Oh my gosh, wow, very nice. Oh, isn't this nice? So I'm going to open this. It has these beautiful roses on it. Oh, they're so pretty. Or maybe they're pansies. Those are so beautiful. I definitely have to save this envelope. And then look at the branch on the back. And it's in pink. How adorable. How gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Oh, thinking of you. Isn't this beautiful? What a beautiful card. Oh, you're so sweet. Thank you. What a wonderful message. Oh, this is so beautiful. Thank you. What a wonderful, beautiful, thoughtful gift. I really appreciate it. And this card is absolutely beautiful. Thank you for your beautiful, inspiring, and sweet words. I really appreciate it, Kimberly. Thank you so much. Oh, beautiful. And thank you for your support. I really appreciate it. This is just so beautiful. Look at that card. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh, it's adorable. Alrighty. Oh my gosh, and this is great. Thank you so much. This is all the stuff that I love, Kimberly. All of these little things. Oh my gosh. Claim check. Thank you. Wow, and then this is like from this, oh my goodness, wow. From like a ticket. Maybe from a bus or something like that. That's really cool. And then this is cool. Wow, and then there's all of these wonderful words. I'm so bad about cutting out words, so thank you. I always have to go through my stash to get them. Colors, jewels, beautiful. And then beautiful piece of tissue paper. Isn't that pretty? Wow, and then look at these. These little cute pieces of scrapbooking paper, which I totally use. These are wonderful. Thank you. And I love having just these little bits that you can put into a collage or on a canvas. I'll definitely use those. Thank you. Oh, isn't that wonderful? That is beautiful paper. I like green. I never use green. I like laugh. Isn't that cute? These are wonderful painted papers. Look at that. Pretty colors. Wow. I actually have a project in mind for these. These are great. And then look at that. Oh, it's like a little tag. It's pretty. I like that shape. Very beautiful. And then all of these kind of coffee dyed old papers. I love old papers. They're my favorite. We don't get any in Colorado. Like, you can go to an antique shop and they're so super expensive, like text and like these old pages. I can find them like in book pages, but it's really hard to find like letters and that kind of thing. So I always appreciate these little bits. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. And I love the discoloration. So beautiful. Thank you so much, Kimberly. You totally made my day. I mean, this is just wonderful and incredibly generous. And thank you for your beautiful card. And like I said, I'm so sorry that it took me so long to open your letter. I just didn't have any time until now, but I truly appreciate it. And I kept it right on my desk for the next time I was at my table that I would be able to open it, and what a wonderful surprise. Thank you so much for all these goodies. I can't wait to use them in projects. And your letter just touched my heart so much, and I really needed it today. So thank you for your beautiful and encouraging words. They really touch my heart, and they mean so much to me. And thank you for all your support, for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. And it's these little things that mean so much. And thank you so much for all of these wonderful things. They're not small to me, they're really big, and I will use them and enjoy them in a project. And thank you so much. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you later. Have a wonderful day. Thanks. Bye bye.